The world of high-tech smartphones continues to evolve at a breathtaking pace, and the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max stands as a testament to how far mobile technology has come in 2024. Released on September 20th, 2024, this flagship device from Apple marks a significant leap forward, not just in terms of raw power, but also in sophistication, design, and user experience. For adults seeking the ultimate in modern mobile technology, the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the stunning 256GB white titanium finish delivers a compelling blend of style and substance. At the forefront of the iPhone 16 Pro Max's appeal is its exceptional build quality. The white titanium variant brings a fresh, premium aesthetic to the lineup. This material is not just about looks. Titanium offers robust durability, resisting scratches and dings far better than traditional aluminum or glass designs. Whether you're handling your phone on the go, at work, or during travel, the white titanium enclosure ensures your device retains that pristine, upscale appearance. Turning to the front of the device, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features a generous 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. This isn't just any screen. Apple's latest generation panel offers a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and vibrant, true-to-life colors. Whether you're streaming high-definition content, gaming, or editing photos, the experience remains immersive and fluid. The increased screen real estate, paired with razor-thin bezels, makes multitasking and productivity more enjoyable than ever. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's newest A18 Pro chip. Built on the cutting-edge TSMC N3E process, this chipset is a marvel of engineering. It boasts a 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU, and an advanced 16-core neural engine capable of 35 trillion operations per second. For tech enthusiasts, this means the phone handles demanding applications with ease, from 4K video editing to the latest AI-driven features. Apple Intelligence is now seamlessly integrated across the device, automating tasks, enhancing security, and powering smarter, more intuitive user experiences. Photography and videography receive a major upgrade with the iPhone 16 Pro Max's triple-lens camera system. The main 48-MP wide lens, paired with a 48-MP ultra-wide lens, delivers outstanding clarity and color accuracy in every shot. The standout addition is the 12-MP periscope telephoto lens, offering 5x optical zoom, perfect for capturing distant details without losing sharpness. For content creators, the ability to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second opens up new creative possibilities, from crisp slow-motion clips to cinematic video projects. The newly introduced camera control button further streamlines access to camera features, making spontaneous shooting and quick adjustments effortless. Staying connected is faster and more reliable thanks to support for Wi-Fi 7. This next-generation wireless standard ensures lightning-fast downloads, lag-free streaming, and stable connections, whether you're at home or navigating busy public networks. With Apple's focus on seamless integration, every aspect of the user experience, from FaceTime calls to cloud backups, benefits from this superior connectivity. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is available in 4 striking colors: desert titanium, natural titanium, white titanium, and black titanium, allowing users to choose a finish that best matches their personal style. Retailers across the United States, including AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, offer the device with the 256GB white titanium model starting at $1,190. For budget-conscious buyers, refurbished units are available through platforms like Backmarket, providing access to this advanced technology at more accessible prices. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro Max redefines what adults can expect from a high-end smartphone in 2024. From its striking titanium design and industry-leading display to the powerhouse A18 Pro chip and cutting-edge camera system, this device sets a new standard for performance, durability, and style. For those who demand the very best in mobile technology, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a standout choice that truly lives up to the hype. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets News for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest innovations in tech. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video. To shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.